Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start my first lecture. My subject is chemistry, class second year. I am Fazal Wali Shah, lecturer at KSK CCS. Topic: organic compound. So, as we know that the second year class chemistry textbook, it is divided into inorganic, organic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, environmental chemistry, and analytical chemistry. There are different portions in chemistry textbook. So we will start from our first topic, or we will start from our first chapter, that is the organic portion, and the first chapter is in the organic chemistry is the organic compound, that is chapter number 15. So we will start from the chapter number 15, that is the organic compound. So what is organic chemistry? Simply we can say that the organic chemistry is the study about the organic compound. Now what is organic compound? So there are two different concepts about the organic compound. One is the old concept and the second one is the modern concept. So first we will start from the old concept. According to the old concept, the term organic, it is originated from the word organism. Organism means living organism. It includes all the plants, animals and microorganisms. According to the old concept, all those compounds which are obtained from living organism are called organic compounds. And this concept was supported by a theory, and that theory was known as vital force theory. According to vital force theory, or it is the introduction of the vital force theory, that the organic compounds preparation means for the preparation of organic compound a force is required, and that force is provided by nature, and it was named as vital force. For example, for the preparation of glucose, carbon dioxide and water combine in chlorophyll of a plant, and this process is known as photosynthesis. When carbon dioxide and water combine in the presence of sunlight, they produce glucose. So according to vital force theory, for the production, glucose is organic compound. For the preparation of organic compound glucose, a force is required, and that force was named as vital force. And the statement of vital force is that organic compounds are naturally prepared. They cannot be prepared or synthesized artificially. This is the statement of vital force theory. But this theory was discarded. When it was discarded? It was discarded when in 1828, a German chemist, his name was Friedrich Wöhler, he synthesized a compound, and that compound was urea, in a laboratory. He prepared a compound in a laboratory, means he prepared a compound urea in a laboratory, means artificially. He prepared this compound when he burned ammonium cyanide. When he heated, a compound is formed that is known as urea, and the structure of urea is, this is the structure of urea, C double bond with O, NH2 and NH2. And as we know that urea is organic compound, as a result, this organic compound urea, it is prepared in a laboratory, and according to vital force theory, organic compounds are naturally prepared. They cannot be prepared or synthesized artificially. And here we have a compound that is known as urea, which is organic compound. This urea is organic compound. So as a result, vital force theory is discarded. Similarly, when vital force theory is discarded, the old concept about the organic compound it is also discarded. So now we need some new or modern concept to define the organic compound. So according to the modern concept, organic compound, all the organic compound or most of the organic compound was studied, or when they were studied, it was found that there is essential element, or there is an atom that is known as carbon, which is represented by symbol C. Carbon is an element which is present in almost all the organic compound. So because of the presence of organic compound, a new definition is introduced to define the organic compound, and that is that all those compounds which have carbon atom are organic compound. For example, CH4, CO2, H2CO3, CH3OH, alcohols, cyanides, etc. means all these compounds are organic compound. But further study of organic compound, when organic compound were further studies, it was founded that there are some compounds having carbon atom but not organic, means they have carbon atom. For example, we have certain compounds, that is, for example, carbon containing alloy, for example steel, for example carbonates, for example bicarbonates, for example oxides of carbon. Oxides of carbon means carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides, different cyanides, for example CN. These are certain compounds, for example steel, carbonates, bicarbonates, oxides of carbons, cyanides. All these elements or these compounds contain carbon element, but they are not organic compound because they not follow or they have missing some of the characteristic of organic compounds. Because of that, they are not organic. Therefore, a new definition is put forward, and that new definition is all those compounds which have carbon atom, means all those compounds which have carbon atom will be organic except oxides of carbon, carbonates, cyanides, similarly carbon containing alloys and sulfides. For example, sulfides means here is CS2, this is sulfides. So these are certain compounds which have carbon atom but they are not organic compound. So nowadays when we study different organic compounds, we find out that most of the organic compounds, for example CH4 and its homologous series, for example alkene, for example alkyne, for example alcohols, and so on. When we study their homologous series, we find out that all these compounds, they contains carbon and hydrogen. So because most of the organic compounds contain carbon and hydrogen, therefore nowadays we can say that the hydrocarbons and its derivatives, they are known as, we can say that hydrocarbons and its derivatives, we can say that these are the organic compounds. Thank you.